If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Compass Latitude in bright white. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 39,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 912108.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.